Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm David here at Zion's Gate Ranch. Today we are making chili oil. We use Mexican peppers and the name is Arbol or something like that. I can't remember the name, but anyways, they're Mexican peppers. They're fantastic. You can use any kind of chilies that you like to use, but we are going to use the Mexican peppers tonight. So we're going to do avocado oil, garlic, seasonings, and here we go. All right, y'all, we are coming at you live, and we have these beautiful. I'm going to leave the name in the description because I'm not good at pronunciations, but these are Mexican peppers, and they're amazing. So you can find them at any Mexican store. They are fantastic, and I highly recommend them. So we're gonna make chili oil. So here we go. You need yourself just a good blender, and I like to use this little bullet blender. It works real great. So we're gonna dump these in here. Dump the chilies in there, just like that. Be right back. All right, y'all. So we got our chilies in here. Ain't them beautiful? So we have our chilies. We're gonna put them in here. We're gonna plug it in, and we're gonna do some pulse action. You don't want it to be powder. You want it to be chili. You don't want it to be powder. So you just want to hit pulse. About like that. You want it chilies. So I'm gonna do it about 3 times. And we're gonna use some organic avocado oil on this. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Oh man, you're gonna want to open a window. But do about 3 times. It will choke you, okay? All right, so the next step is, after you got your chilies all in another pan like this, don't they look beautiful? We're gonna add seasonings to this in a minute. Next step is avocado oil. 100% pure avocado oil, okay? Put it in a pan and get that baby on high. You want this about, if you have a thermometer, I highly recommend it. Get your thermometer. You want it about 275, 300 degrees. I'd say maybe even 300 degrees. So we're gonna heat this up. We're gonna dump it in. Take your avocado oil. And I mean the whole bottle. The whole bottle. This is so good for your health, guys. The peppers are full of capsaicin, and it keeps you from getting sick. It kills cancer, all that stuff. And you want a high smoke temp oil like avocado oil, because when you put it in the fridge, if you use olive oil, it'll get all jelly, and you don't want that. You want avocado oil. You know what I'm saying? So dump the whole jug in there. And you want this thing hot. Super hot. And I'll show you the next step. Alright guys, so the next step is, while your avocado oil is heating up, take you some garlic powder, and we're gonna go ahead and dump the garlic powder in this. Take your garlic powder and go to town. However much you may like. I always just guess, honestly. I just kind of give it a rough guess, about a quarter of a bottle. It's getting close. There you go. About about that much. So then take you some, we like real salt. Dump some real salt on there. You don't have to use soy sauce. You can use pink Himalayan salt. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to use this, but I like soy sauce, so I am going to dump soy sauce in there. You can use other herbs like star anise, like the Chinese would do. Just dump some soy sauce in there. Just like so. Now, next step is, once this is up to temp, we're gonna dump it in here. And it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna foam up like crazy. And you're gonna have yourself a delicious chili oil that you can put in the refrigerator and put on any kind of food that you love. So here we go. And I did add a little bit of Cajun. And I did add a little bit of black pepper. Just a little. All right, guys, so when the avocado oil, this thing's up to 300 plus degrees right now. So after we added all them seasonings and those peppers, we're gonna take this avocado oil and we're gonna dump it in here just like so. But I'm gonna tell you guys, it's gonna be hot. You might wanna open a window. Watch this. Like that, y'all. And it's gonna choke you if you don't have a window open. Now, leave it just like this and let it do its thing. And let it cool off, and you have yourself chili oil. Trust me, it's so delicious. You can put it over chicken, you can put it over rice, you can put it over all kinds of different meals. And you will not regret it, guys. You will not regret it. It is chili oil. Healthy chili oil. Keeps your immune system going. Kills cancer. And keeps your blood veins rolling. Guys, this is what you want. Old timer told me back in the day, if you eat hot peppers, you'll never get sick. You need to eat them hot peppers. You need to eat that garlic. You need to eat good avocado oil. And you will not regret it. When this cools down, you put it into a jar. And you scoop it on any kind of food. See you guys on the next one. Peace.